So right now we're making some lead sinker weights for going fishing. So I didn't have a chance to get out and buy some. So right here I have some lead flashing. Chase thought it was pretty neat how I was melting it, so he wants to see me do a video. So here you go. Inside I have some molten lead, and you can see how fast it melts.
It's like cotton candy and water.
Yep, it melts really fast, and it's smoking, and it's not good to breathe the fumes. But we have the garage door open, so. I'm gonna make some nice weights.